A major Supreme Court ruling today. It could impact the midterms. A justice is ruling that using race in the Louisiana congressional redistricting was unconstitutional. Correspondent Michael Cozzi has the very latest from outside the Supreme Court. Michael.
Well, Lydia, it's probably one of the most impactful days with an expected decision authored by Justice Alito in the case Louisiana versus Calais, which will deal with race-based congressional redistricting maps. Now, Justice Alito, writing for a court of 6-3, said that this map is unconstitutional. It's a huge opinion. Now, Justice Kagan authored the dissent for the liberals in this particular case, and already the legal community and the public policy community have been weighing in, with Landmark Legal even going so far as to say that this case is threading the needle between both the 15th Amendment, which guarantees the rights for minority African Americans to vote, and the Voting Rights Act of 1964. That's the huge two cases here today. This case was resolved. It was supposed to be resolved back in 2025. It got kicked to this term here. This is one of the most awaited cases. We actually have a case behind us today on temporary protected status, but this takes the cake when it comes to what this means for the midterms. Now, let's walk through that. We have, for example, Texas. We have other states in the South that are trying to counteract what people in California and other progressive states have done to try to rebalance the map to favor the Democrats in the 2026 midterm elections. This court case is going to add more fuel to the fire and will likely drag on this legal battle and this political battle outside of November. And we'll bring you the very latest. But for now, at the Supreme Court, reporting for Newsmax, Michael Cozzi.
So, Michael, do you see it making a huge impact on the midterms? They're just around the corner here.
Well, Lydia, I don't know how it couldn't, because if we look at this case, we have Louisiana, right?
Mm-hmm.
That congressional district's going to have to go. They're going to have a special session for there. There's another one that could happen in Kentucky. We got the Carolinas, we got Texas, and there might be more on the way now with Florida and other states. But we'll keep bringing the latest on all those states when they make their ultimate decisions on what they're going to do.
All right. Thank you so much, Michael Cozzi. All right.